Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
I'm a project manager. The word that I put down was refreshing. Bit of an odd one, but it's kind of how I feel about YEO compared to a lot of other companies that kind of do this sort of work. It was a project called Higher Harlyn, down in Harlyn in Cornwall. It was a staircase that we did. It was a massive staircase, kind of made of kind of very thick structural steel, and it was my favourite because it was just technically really challenging. I actually kind of first got introduced to furniture when I was really young. You know, my dad kind of learnt cabinet making quite late on in his life, and I just used to go with him to the workshop where he made furniture. You know, I was probably only 8, 9 years old. Just used to go in and kind of do a few bits and kind of help out, and yeah, kind of I guess it came from there. And then I went to kind of uni to study design with a view that I'd always try and get a job in kind of furniture afterwards. I really like staircases. I think they're obviously a very important part of the house. Thinking about it, I'd love to do a staircase project where the staircase was like very integral to the house, like structurally, but in kind of a discrete way. You know, so as a piece, it was incredible, but it also served a very kind of important kind of structural kind of role in the house. I couldn't really think of 5. But there is kind of one main thing that I always think about when managing kitchens, and it's to do with site. You know, a kitchen is so highly integrated with appliances, with worktops. There's so many different kind of factors going on in the kitchen. So you know, I always just try and get ahead, make sure you're kind of completely understanding of the appliances, what they require, and make sure that site know what are required in terms of the electric, the water, the plumbing, all that sort of thing. And just try and get that sorted as soon as possible, and then just make sure that it has been sorted, because it's happened a number of times where you go to site, you go to start fitting and pipe work's in the wrong place, and then straight away you're on the back foot.